Have you ever noticed that your AI is being sluggish, forgetting previous instructions, or costing an absolute fortune to run? The problem is caused by a hidden, silent killer, and that is bloated memory. The more words, code, and logs an AI is required to read, the more tokens they need, and in the world of artificial intelligence, tokens are the same as money. When an AI is programmed to read everything, to have complete memory, they essentially choke. But what if we could give an AI infinite memory without the cost? We are now going to open the black box and reveal the ultimate blueprint for AI memory management. To create a perfect system, it is essential to implement a strict two-tier memory system. The idea is to create something like the human brain. The first tier is the working memory. This is your AI's workspace. The working memory holds only the current task, the last few steps, and results. It has to be fast, agile, and most importantly, it has to be under 10,000 tokens. What happens when we finish the task? That is when we implement the long-term memory. The long-term memory is like an archive. It does not store any data. It only holds summarized information from past actions, facts, and critical decisions. It is concise, highly structured, and permanent.
The biggest token trap in AI today is web browsing. When the AI uses a browser tool, it's flooded with raw HTML, ads, and unnecessary formatting. The rule here is absolute. Never store raw HTML or raw page content. It's digital trash and will immediately max out your working memory. Instead, the AI must function as a ruthless editor. It must immediately pull out the relevant information and then summarize the result in 3 to 5 concise bullet points and store those in the long-term memory. Then, the raw browser output must be discarded.
A perfect AI system is one that is constantly cleaning house. When the working memory is growing and reaching its limits, a strict protocol is required. The AI system must halt, summarize the working memory, move the vital facts to the long-term vault, and then ruthlessly delete the detailed logs. These are the strict rules that you need to live by. Never keep full logs. Never duplicate any information. Always replace detailed, heavy information with lightweight summaries. A bad system is one that hoards its logs and its raw web pages. A good system is one that extracts, summarizes, and then deletes. If you can master this workflow, then you can build an AI system that never forgets, never slows down, and never runs low on token budgets.
Now let's see a hands-on what should be contained in a Memory.md file. First, go to the Agents, Files, Memory.md. We define the memory management rule as follow. Hashtag memory management rules, subhashtag memory structure. And you must maintain 2 types of memory, working memory and long-term memory. But the most important are the browser tool rules. It never stores full HTML or raw page content. Extract only relevant information. It immediately summarizes the result in 3 to 5 bullet points. Store the summary in long-term memory and discard the raw browser output completely. It is good to have an example behavior in it. Anyway, I hope this saves you some tokens. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!